Good morning, ninth class student. Ninth class, we have discussed the question answer based on evaporation as well. We have discussed the NCERT question answer in text. Now we are going to study about the question answer, that is NCERT question answer, which is given in the back of the NCERT exercise. So first question with that we are going to discuss is, convert the following temperature into Celsius scale. So first is, हमने पढ़ा था that if we have to convert the Kelvin into Celsius scale, we need to minus or we need to subtract 273 degree. So 300 Kelvin it is given. So 300 minus 273, the answer becomes 27 degrees Celsius. Second is your 573 Kelvin. Again we have to change the Kelvin into Celsius scale. So 573 minus 273. Again we are subtracting the 273 value from 573. So the answer becomes 300 degrees Celsius. Now come to the next question, that is your convert the following temperature to Kelvin scale. So if we need to convert the Celsius into Kelvin scale, we have to add plus 273, that is plus 273, 25 degrees Celsius. So 25 plus 273 becomes 298 Kelvin. 373 degrees Celsius. 373 plus 273 is equal to 646 Kelvin. So the answer becomes 646 Kelvin. So in both the questions what we have discussed that if we are going to convert Kelvin to Celsius, we need to subtract 273 from the given value, and if we are going to convert Celsius to Kelvin, we need to add 273 value to the given data. Come to the next question, that is question 3. I am reading out the question for you. Give reason for the following observation. The first question is, naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. Naphthalene balls, class naphthalene balls जो भी आपने घर में देखी होंगी, white color balls होती हैं, which your mother uses in the cupboard, in the kitchen drawer. So that is there in your home, white colored small balls, that is known as naphthalene balls. Disappear with time without leaving any solid. Why? Because naphthalene ball जब the stage in which it is, that is in solid. So after some time it starts disappear. Why? तो आपने पढ़ा था when solid starts disappear means they are converting into vapor state. So when solid starts disappear means solid is directly converted to gaseous state without passing through the liquid state. So that process, the name we have given to that process is sublimation. So naphthalene balls, I am repeating the answer, undergo sublimation in which they directly change their state from solid to gaseous without converting into the liquid state. That's why they disappear without leaving any solid. I hope this answer is clear. Next is, we can get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. Yes. So what is basically perfume? Perfume क्या है? Perfume is having a water content and dissolved in the gaseous plus water का mixture है. Perfume is. So perfume is, हमने पढ़ा था that out of solid, liquid and gases, which one is having high degree of vaporization? So it is gaseous which is having high degree of vaporization, and then the liquid, and then the solid. So perfumes are having high degree of vaporization. High degree of vaporization means their vapor particle diffuses with air quickly, easily. They diffuses with the air component, and spread in the surrounding, and that's why we get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. I am repeating it. Perfumes have a high degree of vaporization, means they diffuse, they convert into vapor very easily, as well as they show the diffusion, means they get mixed with the components of air in the surrounding. That's why we get the smell of perfume several meters away. Next is, arrange the following substances in increasing order of forces of attraction between particles: water, sugar and oxygen. So first we are going to study about the state. So that is oxygen, water and sugar. So water is what? Water is liquid. Sugar is solid. Oxygen is gas. So which one is having the high degree? Basically, which one is having the high degree of forces of attraction? Your sugar is solid. So solid में आपने पढ़ा था that they are having the great degree of forces of attraction, but there is a less amount of intermolecular space. So sugar is high degree of forces of attraction because it is solid. Water, it is less degree of forces of attraction because it is liquid. Oxygen, it is having high degree of oxygen, it is having high degree, it is having less degree of forces of attraction because it is gases. So solid में सबसे ज़्यादा forces of attraction होती हैं than liquid than gases. So sugar is having greater forces of attraction as comparison to water, and oxygen is having least degree of forces of attraction. Now, what is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius? The question is, what is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius? So the physical state of water, अगर आप इसे Kelvin में भी change करेंगे, the physical state 25 plus 273 becomes 298. तो physical state of water 25 degrees Celsius plus 273. That is in basically the physical state is in liquid state, क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा था that boiling point of pure water is 100 degree Celsius. तो 25 degree Celsius में means they exist in the form of the water, that means liquid state. और जो हमने पढ़ा था उसका जब वो आइस में होती हैं means जब वो solid state में होती हैं, so the boiling point of pure water is 0 degree Celsius. So this is comes in between 25. So this is liquid state. Next is 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius solid state. अभी पढ़ा था melting point of pure water is 0 degree Celsius. So this is in solid state and can also be in liquid state in the form of the puddle of the water. Now 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree Celsius it will be in the gaseous state. Gaseous state में होगा 100 degree Celsius में, because it is the point at which water starts evaporating. Water gets converted into vapor state. So this is the boiling point of the water. That's why 100 degree Celsius में it will be in the gaseous state. I am repeating, 25 degree means it is in liquid state. 0 degree Celsius means it is in solid state. 100 degree Celsius means it is in gaseous state. Next is your water at room, give two reasons to justify. Water at room temperature is a liquid. So first reason it is a liquid. Why? Because water has the property of fluidity. Fluidity का मतलब water has the ability to flow. Second is it does not have any fixed shape and fixed volume. It occupies the shape of the container in which it is kept. I am repeating it. First point is that water has the ability to flow, means it shows the property of fluidity. Second, it does not have any fixed shape and fixed volume. It takes up the shape of the container. Next is, an iron almirah is solid at room temperature. An iron almirah is solid at room temperature because it possesses the property of rigidity, means it maintains its state. Second is it has fixed shape and fixed volume. I am repeating it. It possesses the property of rigidity, means maintain its shape, as well as it has fixed shape and fixed volume. So इसमें just आपको दो properties बतानी थी. Now come to the next one. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? This is because ice at 273 Kelvin less energy than water at the same temperature. Why? Because water जो है it possesses the additional latent heat of fusion. Water में क्या है? It is having the additional latent heat of fusion. Means latent का हमने पढ़ा था that is hidden. So water के पास hidden amount of energy भी होती है, and that hidden amount of energy is providing the extra heat. That's why it is more effective in cooling than water. Water, why? Water possesses the additional latent heat of fusion. This is the answer. Next is, what produces more severe burns, boiling water or steam? Of course, the answer is steam. Steam possesses more severe burns or produces more severe burns than boiling water. Now why? Because it is having, steam के पास क्या है? It is having additional latent heat of vaporization. I am repeating it, it is having latent heat of vaporization. Vaporization means it is the amount of energy required to convert the state from water to gaseous without showing any increase in temperature. So it is having that amount of additional energy. Therefore, steam produces more severe burns as comparison to the boiling water. तो जो पहला वाला क्वेश्चन था उसमें latent heat of fusion is the answer. Here the additional amount of latent heat of vaporization. Now there is a flow chart which is given in your book. लिखा हुआ है on increasing the temperature, अगर solid से liquid में जाएंगे तो what is the name of that process? The name is class I have discussed fusion. Liquid से अगर gas में जाएंगे, अगर temperature increase कर रहे हैं, the name is vaporization. Up now on decreasing the temperature, gas से liquid में convert हो रहा है, that is condensation. Liquid से अगर solid में आ रहा है means it is solidification. Now the last one, that solid से directly converting into gas, the name is sublimation, and gas से directly converting to the solid, that is sublimation. So we have discussed all the question answer that is given at the back of the chapter 1 in the NCERT exercise. The last question में सिर्फ processes के नाम बताने थे. तो class have a revision, have revised all the videos, and then we will start your chapter 2. So please revise chapter 1 thoroughly. Thank you.